And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their 4-pack solar LED lights. So these are 142 LEDs on each light, 2600 lumens, motion sensor, and there's 4 of these lights inside of here. Nothing else to really show you around the box. Show you what you get inside here. So you get a set of screws and even a little pin that's most likely to cut them on and off. I think it has like a small reset pin for power. And then you get 4 lights. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another set of screws. Each one only takes 2 screws. And a little guide, said for the box. So, little instruction guide for you. Like I mentioned, little on-off button that you'll use that little key for right there. And outside of that, each one of these has a solar panel on top, the motion sensor, the little power button, and then 142 LEDs right here. So very, very nice. We will take these outside and let them get charged up. They do have a nice little company logo there. And then once they're charged up, I will show you exactly what these look like at nighttime. All right, and so now we're ready to go and mount these. First things first, there is a little piece of plastic film over all the solar panels. Remove that before you put them outside. And then use this little included pin to press each one to power them on. There is only one mode. There is on with motion sensor and there is off. So once you press it, it feels like a physical button that will turn them on. The solar panels will charge them, and then at nighttime, if something walks in front of these, the light will turn on. Now we'll take the screws, 2 on each one, get these mounted, and then we'll show you exactly what these look like tonight. So I've installed my 4-pack, one here, one here, one here, and one down there. So we will see what these look like tonight. So here are our lights. You can see that one instantly cut on, and then as I walk to this one, it'll cut on. If we go to widescreen, you can kind of see how much light they put off, and then even if I walk over here, that one cuts on. And as I get down here, this one should cut on. There it goes. So very nice. You can see the brightness from there very well. So love that they're solar powered, super easy to use. Absolutely no complaints. Thanks to the company for sending these to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.